Hey y'all, come on in. We are gonna make some roasted potatoes with fresh green garlic sauce. A potato in the winter, it's good, it's fine. But if you've ever had a potato that has just been dug up out of the ground, it is so good. The sugars inside of the potato haven't converted to starch yet, so it's just like nothing you've ever experienced. I already cut the tops of this green garlic the other day because I thought I was gonna use the whole thing, but I ended up not using the rest of it. So green garlic is garlic that hasn't, it's immature garlic. They haven't let it just sit in the ground and dry out and finish growing. So it's very tender and it'll still give us a really nice garlicky, I can't even say that word. Garlicky. Is that how you would say that? Still gonna give us a mild garlicky flavor. So I'm gonna use this whole thing, which actually, if I was roasting potatoes with a whole bunch of garlic that was mature garlic, I'd still use a whole bulb anyway, because we use a lot of garlic around here. But we're gonna we're gonna blend it into a sauce and then coat the potatoes with it. I'm not taking off much. I'm just, if it's like a little bit tough of an outer skin, I'm taking that off, but otherwise just leaving the majority of it as long as it's tender. We're gonna make the sauce. I'm attempting to follow a recipe. It's at 1/4 cup of olive oil. We shall see. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna make it by this recipe, and then I'm gonna end up adjusting if it needs to be adjusted. The recipe called for white wine vinegar, but I don't have it. So let's do apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup or more. Whoopsies. And then a tablespoon of Dijon. And a tablespoon of maple syrup. I think that's a tablespoon. Let's blend this together and see if we think our proportions are right. It smells so good. I think that it looks perfect, so. Looks like mush. But I think it's gonna taste really good. I thought that one pan would be enough, but they're too close together, and so they're not gonna get like a hard crispy side. It's more gonna bake instead of roast, and I want them to like get this coating and really, so I'm gonna divide it in half. So to tell if these are done, I'll usually just, after I've stirred them around, I'll use and if it's done, it'll go through real easy. Those didn't go through very easy yet, so it's just got a little bit longer to go. The potatoes have finished. These are gonna be fun pans to clean. Yay! They like, but all of that liquid, it got soaked up. So let's try it. Ah. Just tons of flavor. Just a nice variation of a way you can cook a potato. I hope you try it.